Well, a combined video presentation of these two products. We're selling them individually because they would have been part of quite a large and extensive graduated platter set, I think. These are Alfred Meakin, 1920s to 1930s. The pattern is one called Jesmond. Draws its inspiration, I think, from a combination of various other patterns. You can see a little bit of the picket fence here from Old Willow. You can also see the sort of Chinese garden and flower basket designs, but then with this very stylized border. Draws a little bit from Booth, Netherlands, this sort of ballooning on it. These are 11.25 inch platters, the first one we're going to show you. Flow blue, ironstone. Again, you can see the little bit of transfer that we've got here on the design over the platter. It's got some moulding around in the outer area of the rim. Not really picked up by the design here, but I can actually palpate this. There is a moulded rim on this. Let me just show you the Jesmond China marks on the back. There we go. Alfred Meakin, England, blue crown marks with Jesmond, the design. This is the 11.25 inch. This is the slightly larger one, 12.25 inch. Again, same issues with this one. A little bit of wear around here where it's been stacked over the years, but nothing too bad. Would point out, and I don't know whether it's going to show particularly well in this rather maroon light box that we film in, but this is a cream and blue as opposed to a blue and white transfer print. So the background glaze is in this sort of very light buttermilky cream. So lovely design. Two of them date from around 1920s, 1930s, both in used vintage condition, but in very good used vintage condition, and lovely display pieces for a collector of blue and white. We're going to put individual links in the description, one to the 11.25 and one to the 12.25. They're available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website here in the United Kingdom, and if you follow the links, it will take you directly through to the individual listings for these two platters. Thanks for watching.